In this video, I'll be teaching you how to do your identity verification for your Amazon KDP account. So the first thing you're going to do is to go to your Amazon shopping app and check the information that is in your Amazon shopping app. Make sure that the details that you have there is exactly the same details you have in your ID, the ID you want to use for the verification. So the first thing you will do is to come over to your camera. Come over to your camera and take the picture of your ID. You can see the way I'm snapping mine. Take the front, turn the back, and take the back as well. So when you are done, come over to your browser and type kdp.amazon.com and search. So when you are in your Amazon KDP account, what you are going to do is to scroll down. Scroll down. Now, what you're going to do here is to adjust your name. Make sure that your name matches with the name in your ID. So just adjust it. Maybe delete one or two letters, adjust it, and your date of birth as well. When you're done clicking on save and continue, scroll down again. And so you're going to see verify identity. Click on it. Click on verify identity again. Then it will bring you here. You have to choose your country, the country that issued the ID to you. Choose the country. So I'm going to go ahead and choose Nigeria. Then the ID type, choose the ID type you want to use and click on continue. So you're going to click on upload ID instead. Yes, don't snap it, just click on upload ID instead. Then go over to your gallery and choose the ID you just snapped. Choose the front first, click on it, and click on continue. Click on continue. Give it your time. Don't be in a haste. Give it your time. Click on upload ID instead. Then go back to your gallery and choose the back. The back of the ID that you just snapped. Choose the back. Click on it. And click on continue. Then wait for them to verify it. When you are done clicking on continue, don't go out. Don't log out. Just continue to wait. As you can see, they are now verifying the identity. Can you see? It's coming up now. They are verifying my identity. Let's wait for it. This is what we have here. Can you see? Identity successfully verified. Now, let me go over to my email to make sure that they send me a mail. Come over to your email. Can you see it? They will send you a mail to show that they have successfully verified your identity. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please do wait to subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this. Don't forget to share this video to help people that are still finding it so hard to verify the identity. And also remember to like the video. If you have any question, write it in the comment section. God bless you.